I'm also going to cook this one for the first time. Also the shrimp chili shrimp. Just try it. You see, together with the beef. But this will be a different kind of video for my YouTube channel. Dose of Dog. Please subscribe. Cooking the garlic, making it golden brown. Already golden brown. I need to pour in the shrimp now. I need to stir it, put a little bit of salt, put a little bit of salt, put salt. Oh, it's becoming watery now. So here's the shrimp now. Wow. Let's try this. Oh wow, it's good. This is its own like liquid sauce. I didn't put water, just naturally. I think because it was frozen. So I'm gonna try to use the chili, okay? It's my first time to cook this one. No YouTube, nothing, no recipe. Just common sense. That's what I normally do when I cook. It's just like, oh, as long as it can be eaten. What I mean by that is that it's not salty, it's not blunt, it tastes good, then it's okay. Then I'm gonna stir it. I should have removed the sauce, a little bit of it, because it produces a lot of like liquid sauce on its own. Okay, I want to taste it. Let me try it. The meat is already cooked anyway. Oh wow. Yeah. Wow. Delicious. Sorry, bias. Doesn't matter. But it really tastes good. So this is how it looks now. It's already cooked and I'm trying to squeeze in the more chili from the bottom, see? So, wow, it's delicious, I tell you.